Up next, the amazing story of two giant pandas in love. But first, let's check in with Holman Hart and the weather.
Well, still no rain in sight for the Kroner Hills region as yet another winter storm passes south of us. I'll have all the numbers and my 5-day forecast right after this.
Coming up live at 5.
Hey, baby, you're home early.
Sheila, we got a really big problem here.
What in the hell were you thinking?
Happy Valentine's Day.
We made a deal. We agreed to keep the engagement secret until I said so.
I know, but I just wanted everybody in town to know I've been so happy the last few months.
Yet another bone dry day. Current temperature in Kroner is 45 degrees. Tonight around 40.
I know business has been slow, but we can't stop living just because it hasn't rained in a spell.
You know, maybe we should just call off the engagement.
Don't do this, not today. It'll rain soon, I can feel it.
I just need time to think. Oh, look at that. And you wonder why your ass is so big. It'll rain soon, I can feel it.
What I got they used to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong.
I'm a lonely clown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
Funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one.
I'll be damned.